teachers, dignitaries, judges, and most importantly, youth leaders, a very warm good evening. My name is Mirza and I have prepared a speech on the topic Keep the Ball Rolling. It is a famous American expression to cause an activity or process to continue. In other words, we could say never give up. I have a real-time story I would like to share with you about Stephen King. I think so most of us know him as he's a really famous writer for horror, supernatural fiction, science fiction, and many, many more. So, King did not own a house. They used to live in a trailer with his wife. And they were so poor, they couldn't even buy a telephone. And they had to borrow their wedding dresses. But King did something for a change. He wrote a book called The Glass Floor. And before he could publish it, he got more than 60 rejections. Yes, 60. So somehow he published it for $35 and people read his book. And King got a tremendous response. He got $300,000 contract with the company. And did you know King's books have more than 130 million copies? King shows us that not to give up. So let us keep the ball rolling. There are two more personal experiences I would like to share with you about me and my grandfather. So I was in first grade. I used to score low marks in maths. And my friends used to tease me and I used to face so many problems. So, however, my teachers, my parents encouraged me. So I knew it was time to work hard. So I worked hard. I kept on learning even though my friends made fun of me. But in the exam, I showed them who I am. Because I got the highest marks in maths. And I kept my ball rolling to success. The other experiences about my grandfather. My grandfather's big dream is to become a very big successful businessman. So he stopped his education just after 10th grade. And he made his own company, a perfume company. It ran well, but due to some issues, it was not successful. But he didn't stop there. He tried real estate companies and many more. And currently, he's working in a pipe company called Ashirwad Pipes. And now he's one of the top 10 people who sell the most pipes in Andhra Pradesh. And he's well known in 3 districts. So these examples, these experiences might inspire you. But while approaching or aiming to your goal, you have to overcome some challenges. Those are, first, the age. Age is not an obstacle to achieve a goal. Second, what people say. There are people in this world who make fun of you, reject you, and even cause stress. So don't be convinced by them. Third, toxic people. Toxic people can drag you down, create crazy problems, and cause stress. So if you're feeling unhappy, just look around. Feel free. And fourth, avoid negative thoughts. Negative thoughts and fear can lower your confidence level down. Fifth, the most important part out of all, don't link the past with the present. Because there might be harsh, bad times in the past. So don't link it with the present. Do good in the present. So, let's go back in time. Haven't you wondered when you were little? How did you learn to walk? By falling on your bum 100 times and getting up not one times? You see, whatever you do in life, do it the best way. And I mean the best. And there are many, many more people in this world who have achieved and been successful. So be the best. Do the best. Go beyond your limits. Reach your goal. And always remember, keep your ball rolling. And thank you and have a nice day. Over to you.